Raider Nation football cards here with another video, and in this video I will be opening up random football packs. So let me go through the packs. Four packs of Legacy Hobby. 2 packs of 2020 Panini Contenders draft picks. 2 18 card value packs. And then this was from the Fairfield Company. If you watched my video where I opened up those 2 boxes from the jumbo boxes from the Fairfield Company, I didn't get a bonus in one of them, and they sent these 2 packs of Score, which I believe are retail packs, as well as a Shaq Thompson auto. So that was nice. Yeah, and this Shaq Thompson is out of 56. If you can see that. And then last of all, we have 2013 Panini Rookies and Stars retail, I believe, and I picked out a fat pack. Alright, so we can start off with the Donruss, and then go to Legacy, Contenders, Draft Picks, Score, and then Rookies and Stars. Alright. I'll reposition the lamp. Lamar Miller, Mario Addison, Fletcher Cox, Josh Norman, Justin Simmons, and, sorry, I did that because there's a ding right there. A DeAndre Walker, bronze, I believe, press proof rookie card. Yeah, but it has a ding on it, unfortunately. Khalil Mack, ex-Raider, and Amani Hooker. All right. Archie Manning, Mike Alstott, Odell Beckham Jr., Troy Aikman, Cortland Sutton, Robbie Anderson, and a Damian Harris. Is this? No. It's not autographed. But The Rookies insert. And Trace McSorley. Peyton Manning, Taysom Hill, Alejandro Villanueva, Denzel Ward, Ohio State, Joe Montana, Kyle Fuller, N'Keal Harry, Elite Series rookies, and Byron Murphy. Warren Moon, Lawrence Taylor, Patrick Peterson, Matt Breida, Calvin Johnson, Carson Wentz. Is this a variation? Yeah, it is a variation. Jarrell Henderson. Or no, not Jarrell Henderson. Todd Gurley, Gridiron Kings, and Jamel Dean. So nothing too big, unfortunately. We did get a Carson Wentz variation. I believe a photo variation. So this pack of Legacy is thick. So I'm looking for the RPA. Is it a hit? No. That's unfortunate. Derek Carr, Kyler Murray, Juju Smith-Schuster, Mark Andrews. Filler card. Fan favorites, Drew Brees. John Riggins. Legends. Denzel Mims. And Bryan Edwards for the Raiders. So yeah, filler card, it's a bit disappointing. Deshaun Watson. Joe Montana for the Chiefs. Timeless talents. Favre Legends. J.K. Dobbins for the Ohio State University. Courtney Davis. Hopefully an autograph or a mini card with that. Drew Lock. Stephon Gilmore. Dwayne Haskins. Baker Mayfield. Justin Jefferson rookie to $2.99. Legends Dan Marino. Bryson Hopkins. And Jerry Jeudy rookie card. Alright, last pack of Legacy. Hopefully we can get an autograph. If not, that'd be a bit disappointing, considering we only got one numbered card. Potentially a mini. Mini Tua Tagovailoa, please. Chris Godwin, we have something shiny. Patrick Mahomes, that's a nice base card to pull. A mini, nice. Is this the James Conner to 100? Fan favorites. Is this Richard Sherman? Yeah. Legends. Steve Largent. Another Justin Jefferson. And A.J. Dillon. And the numbered rookie card. Alright. Now we have 2020 Panini Contenders. Derek Carr, nice. Royce Freeman, Jacoby Brissett, Aaron Jones, Kyler Murray, Preston Williams, Denzel Mims, autograph, nice. Awesome. Green autograph, that is nice. Wow. From a retail product, right? It does have a ding, unfortunately. I don't think that was my doing, though, but nice. Denzel Mims. I will sleeve up the James Conner as well. I think Topps used to have these mini cards. But yeah, happy about the Denzel Mims autograph. It's nice. Collegiate Connections, C.D. Lamb and Jalen Hurts. It's not a bad one. Jacob Eason, game day ticket. Tua, nice. Tua Tagovailoa. Tom Brady and Charles Woodson. Daniel Jones, Patrick Mahomes, nice. DK Metcalf. Terry Bradshaw, John Elway. Devlin Hodges. All right. Nice Denzel Mims autograph. Aaron Jones, Kyler Murray, Preston Williams, Gardner Minshew, Tony Pollard, Julio Jones, Chris Carson, Collegiate Connections, Denzel Mims again, and Jermichael Hasty, Jalen Hurts, draft class, Justin Jefferson, Smith-Schuster, and Michael Pittman Jr., Jarrett Stidham, Amari Cooper, ex-Raider, Mark Ingram, Dan Marino, Paris Campbell, The Ohio State University, DJ Moore, and TJ Hawkinson. No autograph there. Let's get into these packs of score. Zach Martin, Jerry Tillery, Shaquille Griffin, Justin Tucker, Leonard Fournette, Jake Fromm, black parallel. That's cool. Joshua Kelly, Shaquille Barrett. In the zone, I pulled this before. Patrick Mahomes, and following that, a Joe Burrow rookie card. Nice. Joe Burrow. Former The Ohio State University player. Joe Burrow. Yetur Gross-Matos and Desmond Patman. I may have put some inserts into the regular base pile, but I can sort that out later. Alright, Kerryon Johnson, Michael Gallup, Eric Reed, Russell Wilson, Rico Dowdle, and a Joe Burrow black. That's great. I'll sleeve that up. Some nice Joe Burrows. Is the LSU uniform more sought after, or what? Joe Burrow. Game face, Lamar Jackson. Next level, Will Fuller the 5th. Charlie Werner, and Tyler Huntley, and Terrell Lewis. All right, now on to rookies and stars. All right, I think this is the thick pack, potentially a relic card. I bought a 24-pack retail box of this. Oh, is this a hit? Yeah, I think it is. All right, Drew Brees. Oops, sorry. Charles Tillman, Ben Roethlisberger, Alfred Morris, Greg Jennings, and New York Giant, Ryan Nassib. Ryan Nassib. Is this numbered? Got a card stuck to it. No. It's just what they call a napkin patch, right? Or a napkin relic card. So a hit's a hit, but not the right player. Tyler Eifert rookie card. And I already showed you the Greg Jennings. AJ Green. What I perceive is that you haven't seen these. Aaron Dobson, Crusade, Ryan Swope, rookie. That was a rookie as well. Ezekiel Anza, rookie. And then possibly these other ones too. Jamar Taylor, Robert Woods, Kenny Vaccaro, and Tyler Eifert. But yeah, thanks for watching, and like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, if you want.